Allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next?
He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of suicidal mania.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Erin Yvette, and if you are new to my channel, you can just call me Erin or E, whatever works with you. Today I'm going to be trying out some new products on my channel. I'm actually really excited because today's products are coming from Dollar Tree. I want to say Dollar General, but Dollar Tree, a little bit cheaper than Dollar General. So every product that I'm going to be showing you is $1, and you can find it on your beauty supply aisle in your local Dollar Tree. Now I will say, depending on the Dollar Tree that you go to in the area, you're going to find different products, but I actually went to the richer side of town to find these products, if that helps. So you won't find the products that I have in the college section if you live here in Tallahassee, Florida. I try to leave the local address of where I got mine from if you're really interested. So today I'm going to be going from start to finish of my normal skincare routine, but I'm going to be switching out the products that I'm using just to see if you can actually find good beauty products in Dollar Tree. I thought it would be fun. If you guys are interested, I've also already done a full face with products from Dollar Tree as well. So I created a look from Dollar Tree and I'll link it in the clicker if you're interested. But yeah, let's just hop right into this video because I don't want it to be too long. So let's go. Okay, so I'm just gonna push my hair to the back here so that it's out of my way. The first thing I always start off with whenever I'm doing my skincare routine is gonna be to put something on my lips because I have dry skin, dry lips, dry hair. I'm always dry, especially in the summer. If you live in Florida like I do, you just can't have crusty lips. You just can't. So I'm trying out this lip treatment that I found in Dollar Tree. This is their cocoa butter chapped ice lip treatment, and honestly it's just petroleum jelly. It doesn't feel like anything in particular. I think this is really cute. I don't really know how I feel about spending a whole $1 on this, but this is something great to keep in your purse, in your pocket, or in your backpack if you still have summer classes, because like I said, you don't want to go without something on your lips. So that's what I'm going to be wearing on my lips throughout this video. So the next thing I'm going to do is actually go in with my face, and before I even wash my face, I like to use wipes to get rid of the makeup that I have on, or the excess oils, or just any crumbs and disgustingness that happened during the night's sleep. They're cleansing facial wipes. It says to use daily in addition to your normal skin regimen to give skin added protection against premature aging, the sun, and pollution. They had a lot of these, and I'm just a killer for like packaging, so that's really the only reason why I tried this. Also, I sniffed, I think, like the lotion that they had, and it smelled pretty good. This is the coconut oil and sea salt. And the benefits of this one is hydrating, so that's cool. I didn't even notice that, but this will come in handy during the summertime. I'm trying not to call my friends and panic right now. If you're my friend, you know I can never open packages by myself. I'm one of those people. Okay, I got it. You've been following me for a while. You know that makeup remover wipes are like key to anything that comes to do with beauty. And in these you get 30, which I think is pretty good, especially because they're $1. And they're really stretchy, and they're not like your typical wipe, so I feel like I won't have to use multiple of these. One seems to be pretty good. Now Dollar Tree doesn't really have a lot of like skin cleanser options. I think they have one that's like a dupe for a Neutrogena product. I'll try to leave it on the screen. And then they have this one that I'm going to show you that is also a Neutrogena dupe, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is that pink grapefruit. They used to have all those commercials growing up. Every time you turn on the TV, you saw this pink grapefruit cleanser commercial. This is the foaming acne scrub. It's for a cleaner, clearer complexion, gentle yet effective treatment for acne problems. And usually the products that they have that are dupes will say like inspired by or something from the original product, but this doesn't actually say the original product at all. This is what it looks like. Oh, so I lied when I said I didn't try the other one. I think I did, but I don't remember it being this watery. This is definitely more watery than the real one. It still smells like grapefruit, but it's not as strong as the other one, so if that bothered you, you might like this. So thoughts on this product while it sits on my face, because this is also what I usually do with my skincare. I like to let it sit a little bit before I wash it off, just to let it marinate into my skin. And I will say this is lighter, like I said, in texture. It still smells great, but even the scent isn't as strong. I can't really say off the bat because this is my first time using it whether the acne potence of it work, but I can say that it was worth the purchase. I definitely would use this again for a quick little scrub. It feels really good. Ugh. Great for your skin. Drink your water, ladies. Okay guys, so my face feels pretty good. It feels pretty soft. Now I'm going to go into the rest of the products that I have. It removes blackheads, unclogs pores, and it works in 10 minutes. You get 3 for $1. I think that's pretty good because these can get really expensive real quick. Oh shoot, Mark! Man down, help! Help, please, help! You'll take this strip off? So Margaret's trying to get this thing together real quick. We're gonna skip to exfoliation. And we're using these microfiber facial pads. They give you 3 for $1. I've always seen these, but I've never used them. This is the apricot scrub. It's also an exfoliant. It's supposed to exfoliate for smoother, healthier looking skin, and it's for all skin types. Usually sometimes they'll say like what they're dupes for, but I feel like this is the same as St. Ives. But just like the other one, it doesn't have the same pungent smell. So it smells like it, but it doesn't smell as strong. We'll see how this works. Usually I like to wet my face before I exfoliate. I'm gonna apply this though directly to this little sponge thing and just like swirl it on my face. If you don't have these, you can use your fingers, it works the same, or you can go with the rag. Okay.
There's no friction, like no?
Well, first of all of the little beads are inside of it now. I don't know if y'all can see that. It looks kind of gross. So I don't know if this is the right thing to do it with, because it's not. I don't feel anything at all. Maybe these are for your body. No, she rubbed it on her face. They say facial pad. Okay, we're gonna try it without one. So this does have more of like a apricot-y smell than the St. Ives. You smell this? It don't smell like St. Ives. Yeah. If you guys see, it doesn't even have like as much exfoliant in it. It's mainly just cream. And it kind of feels like a lotion too. I don't think this is for you. So Margaret was saying that this was probably, yeah, y'all see my struggle? Y'all see my struggle. Margaret was saying that I probably need to do it around more water so it gives it like a lather. So if you are trying this, you might want to try it there. I have 2 facial masks. What I love about their face masks though, they give you 2 for 1, which is really great because, I don't know, it's even more of a bargain. Over here you have the collagen spa treatment mask. It's supposed to be anti-aging serum, soothing 15-minute facial therapy, minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which your girl has. And then over here I have this cocoa and shea butter treatment mask, which is perfect for women and people of color. If you have melanin of any sort, then you're gonna want to use cocoa and shea butter. Put it on immediately. That's what it said to do, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so update on the mask and the nose strip. I really love this mask. I feel like I'm about to go and buy about 3 or 4 more. It worked really, really well. My face feels amazing, y'all. This is one of those masks that I could feel when I had it on. It felt my face getting, I could feel the moisture coming into my face. Like I said, it's a juicy mask, so it's kind of mask everywhere. Usually with face masks, you want to pat in the excess when you're done, but with this mask, I had to wipe off the excess. But my face still feels soft. It kind of looks a little bit more radiant. I don't know if it's just me, but I like the mask. For the nose strip, it was a lot to put on. Like, it was a hassle, which those charcoal nose strips are usually a hassle to put on anyway, but this one, it was just, It was quite a bit. And then I also don't see a difference on my nose. Like I don't see a difference. To complete my skincare routine, I usually go in with a moisturizing product, and because I'm about to do a get ready with me for you guys, I'm not going to go in with an oil like I usually do before bed, or if I don't plan on wearing makeup that day, I'll use an oil on my face. And so either I use coconut oil very lightly, because coconut oil can clog your pores, but I usually use that when I have flaky skin. I haven't had flaky skin in a while, so I'm not going to go for that today. Now Dollar Tree does have coconut oil, which is pretty bomb. I've used that before, but I went ahead and picked up this oil right here. This is the vitamin E oil, which is, as you can see, aka the beauty oil, and it is really good for your hair and even better for your skin. But I'm not actually going to be trying that out today. I am though going to be using one of the moisturizers that I found in their skin aisle, and this is by Dermasil. This is the oil-free night moisturizer facial cream. It's hypoallergenic, which is great if you have sensitive skin like I do, and it has vitamin E in it. It's supposed to enrich skin with intense moisture to leave it softer and smoother while relieving skin's dryness. This is a night cream. They do have a day version. I didn't get the day version for whatever reason, but I'm going to be using this one right now. Alright guys, so this is the full skincare routine using all of my products from Dollar Tree. I can feel my skin feels so refreshed. Like, it looks good. I'm satisfied with this video. All the products, I only disliked about 2. My favorite product is going to be this Dermasil. It's super thick. I don't know if I'm biased because I like Dermasil or because I'm just surprised to find products like this in Dollar Tree. But this is really clutch. My face feels amazing. My second favorite product that I wasn't expecting is going to be this foaming acne scrub, just because, like I said, I wasn't expecting to actually like it. And even though it's not like the dupe, it's even better. Like, it's pretty bomb. So if you like this video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know down below which products you're thinking about trying out. If you have sensitive skin, hopefully this video inspires you to try new products and you don't have to be afraid of having a giant reaction, because I know how that can feel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.